Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oatmeal face mask. Only way. Combine 3 tablespoons of ground oats with 2 tablespoons of warm water to make a smooth paste. Add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt or honey for extra moisture and antibacterial benefit. Apply gently to cleansed skin using upward strokes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Start by grinding 3 tablespoons of rolled oats into a fine powder for a comfortable mask texture. Mix with 2 tablespoons of warm water until you have a spreadable paste, then stir in 1 tablespoon of yogurt or honey if desired. After cleansing, apply the mask in gentle upward motions, avoiding eyes and lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly and follow with your moisturizer of choice. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers to store pre-measured mask portions and grab them quickly, and they're great for snacks too. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can find similar containers. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For dry skin, swap water for milk to add creaminess and nutrients, or add 1 teaspoon honey for humectant benefits. Oily skin can use 1 teaspoon lemon juice carefully, while sensitive skin should stick to plain oats and filtered water. Always perform a patch test for additives like cinnamon or essential oils. Use a soft cloth to remove the mask and finish with a gentle moisturizer appropriate for your skin type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.